how to fix your glitching phone screen. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, P1%, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix your glitching phone screen. Now basically what you can do is, first you can try and restart your phone. You can tap and hold on your power button, and there you'll get three different options where you'll get an option to power off, restart, and emergency call. You want to simply tap on restart and you want to restart, and this might fix the issue. However, if this doesn't fix the issue, then it might be the pixels that's damaged. In that case, you want to head into Play Store and search in for Pixel Fixer. You can search in for Pixel Fixer here, and you can see the first there stock pixel tool here. You can use this application, or you can use this Dead Pixels test and fix. How this works is, you want to open it up, you want to tap on fix dead pixels, and first you can check dead pixels as well. If you find any, you can tap on fix, you can tap on auto, and then go ahead and start. And once it starts, it'll look somewhat like this, and then your start will it'll auto fix your screen. It'll start the process. However, it might take a long time. If this doesn't help, then it might be that your hardware is damaged, so you might want to go ahead and check your phone on the store. So this way you can fix glitching phone screen. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.